Hi, my name is Katie Yett, and I'm incredibly interested in math and physics. For as long as I can remember, numbers have just kind of made sense as a way to organize and explain the workings of the world. More recently, I've come across physics, and its foundation in calculus and numbers and logic and such have just really appealed to me as a way to explain these everyday occurrences in life that we see but we may not understand in terms of science. So it's this relationship between math and science that really spur my academic curiosity throughout the universe. So today I'm going to be talking about the theory of the multiverse, which is essentially just a theory that describes possible alternatives to how there are alternate universes. So my favorite of these is math-based, and it's the theory of infinite universes. So the premise of this theory is essentially that the universe is always expanding. It's infinite, it never ends. There's no edge, no boundary, it doesn't stop, it keeps going in a flat plane. So what this means is that eventually our universe is going to repeat, because it's kind of like a closet. So if you're going to wear an outfit for every single day for the rest of time, then eventually you're going to have to repeat outfits. No matter how many articles of clothing you have in your closet, whether it's 10 or 100, eventually you're going to run out because it's a finite number, and you're going to have to repeat clothes that you've already worn. So it's the same thing with the universe. Essentially, there's a finite number of atoms in our universe, and they're organized in a specific way. So eventually, if the universe is indeed infinite, as we believe it to be, eventually our organization of these atoms is going to repeat elsewhere. More specifically, it's going to repeat an infinite amount of times. This is really cool because it means that there's an infinite number of yous out there in other universes. So there's the you that said yes instead of no. There's the you that's wearing the blue shirt instead of the white shirt. There's the you that's an actor instead of an engineer. So there's all these different alternate universes where you exist, the same you, but slightly different, because the atoms in that universe are generally organized the same, but are slightly different. So essentially, what quantum mechanics tells us is it describes the world in terms of probability instead of definite outcomes. So because of the way that quantum mechanics works, it essentially says that all possible outcomes of your situation are going to occur in one of the alternate universes somewhere out there.